Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to create a digital clock with tkinter and time in Python. So let's start. So I explained everything in step by step. So we use the tkinter and time. So we need to import both as the first stage. So from tkinter import all. Same way from tkinter.ttk import all. Then, so to have a look at the tkinter, you can have the documentation section and have an idea, detailed idea, what all functions, what all attributes it have. Now we'll import from time, import strf time. So to give the and hour, month, hour, minutes, and date, you import the time. So the importing part is over. Next, we need to create a user interface where you can display your digital clock, and also you need to give a title for that. So we'll create a user interface. We'll give tk function, and we'll give a title title as clock. Now we need to create the label for the display. So how your time, the font should look like, what's the font size, what's the background color, what's the foreground color, etc. So we'll create the label for our clock. So label equals label, the user interface that we have created, tick, then we'll the background color as black, then the foreground color as white. Now we need to pack this one. So that means what should be the alignment of your display, whether it is left aligned, right aligned, or center aligned. So for that we'll put center aligned, CNTR, center aligned. So that's it, the labeling part is over. Now we'll create the function. So we need to create the function for the clock and also for the time. For that we'll create the function clock. Name of the function is clock, and first we'll create a string about the what should be the display mode, grf time. So in that we need to display in terms of hours, minutes, seconds, and also to represent PM or AM. Okay, so we'll put everything in string. Then we need to configure our label with this time label dot config. The text is equal to the string that you have created, which is going to be the display in the clock, and label dot after 1000 clock. So each 1 seconds, this clock will update. So it will call the clock function. Now now we have created our function. Next we need to call the function and the main loop. For that you need to call the function and your main loop, dot main loop. So we have created our function. So I think there are no errors. So we'll go and run the file. Let's run the file. Yeah, you can see here 8:10 19 AM, and it's updated in every seconds, and it's showing AM, but we have not given the font size and font. So next we will do how to give a font size and how to give a desired font. So I'm closing this one. We'll update our program. For that, go to this one, dant.com, this website, and you can see here variety of fonts here, digital fonts. So you just download this, and it will be a zip file. Open that one and put it in your directory. So it will be there. So go to directory, click on that folder, and you need to install this one. And the name of the file, name of the font will also be given in that case. Then you modify our program. In the label you put font equals the name of the font that we have just downloaded is DS Digital. It's DS Digital, and you also give the font size. I'll give us 80. That's it. So we have created a font. So this is its name is DS Digital, and I have given the link for the downloading the font in the comment section, so you can download that one. So the font we give as DS Digital and the font size as 80. So now let's run the program and see what happens. See, now we got a now we have changed the font and we have changed the font size as well. So you can even update the you can even increase or decrease the font size as per your requirement. I think you are able to follow my video. Please share your comments. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.